Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today is the 17th day reading of Ashtavakra Gita. We have come to the 18th chapter, sloka number 81 to 100, the last part of this adhyaya. Yesterday, when we closed the reading, we have seen some warnings given by Ashtavakra and also some reaffirmations given by him. So we will continue today with the rest of the Adhyaya. Naiva prarthayate labham nalabhe nanusochati dhirasya setalam chittam amrute naiva puritam. Dhirasya setalam chittam amrutena eva puritam. So for a wise man's chittam is the mind is filled with amrutam, the nectarine, shitalam, and which is cool, puritam, which is completely filled. So he will not na prarthayate labham. He will not be looking for any gains. Na labhe na anusochati. Alabhe. If there is any loss, he is not going to be in the pain. Na shantam stauti nishkamo न तुष्टमपि निंदति समदुःख सुखस्तृप्तः किंचित कृत्यम न पश्यति. So in the peace he will not stutai, he will not be eulogizing the peace, nor in the dushta he will not be blame, he will not praise shanta, he will not do the ninda of the dushtam. Samadukha sukha with equanimity towards the sukha dukkha and trupti, always contented. Kinchit krutyam na pasyati, not even see any action going on. Dhiro na dveshti samsaraha atmanan na didrukshati harshamarša vinirmukto samruto sacha jivati. Dhiraha samsaram na dveshti, so he will not have the dvesha, repulsion towards the samsara. Atmanam na didrakshati, atmanam of the atma which is not having the birth or death, didrakshati, so he will not even look for that. Harsha marsha vinurmuktaha, harsha aharsha vinurmukta, kheda and moda are not there. Namrutaha, he is not equivalent to dead. Nacha jivati, he is not even considered to be living like normal. Nisneha putradaradau nishkamo vishayeshu cha nischintaha swasirepi nirasaha shobhate buddha. Nisneha is not having any sneha putradaradau in the sons and wife. Nishkamo, not having any kamaha vishayeshu cha in the vishayas, in the vishaya, the things around. Nischintaha swasirirepi, not having any chinta or the worry about even about the own body. Nirasaha, without having any asaha, desire. Shobhate buddha. Buddha will have a bright effulgence in this. Tushtis sarvatra dhirasya yatha paritavartinaha swachhandan charato deshan yastrastamita sayinaha yatra astamita sayinaha yatha pravartitaha, whatever is happening, let it happen. Tushtihi, he will be contented sarvatra, in all the times. Dhirasya swachhandan charato deshan, on full freedom, goes everywhere. Charataha deshan, like a set sun, like Surya sun, once it is set, where it goes is not known. Dhirasya sarvatraha santushtihi. Patatu udetu va deho nasya chinta mahatmanaha स्वभाव भूमि विश्रांति विस्मृता शेष संस्कृते। स्वभाव भूमि विश्रांति विस्मृता शेष संस्कृते। This is the key here. That is one long samasa here. Swabhava bhumi visranti. In own nature, in that bhumi, in that context, visranti, having rested in that, vismruta, sesha samsrutehe. So samsruti, other samsara is vismrutaha, forgotten, asya mahatmanaha, dehaha patatu, when body falls also, va leka udetu, let it rises also na chinta. Akinchanaha कामचारो निर्द्वन्द्वश्चिन्न संशयः असक्तः सर्वभावेषु केवलो रमते बुधः। अकिंचनः कामचारोः, बुधः ज्ञानी, अकिंचनः not having anything else other than kamacharaha, on his own desire he will go around. Nirdvandvaha, not having duality. Chinna samsayaha, not having any doubts. Sarva bhaveshu asaktaha, not having any attachment to any of the bhavesh. Kevalaha, transcendental and independent. Ramate, always in the ramamanaha. निर्ममः शोभते धीरः समलोष्ठास्म कांचनः सुभिन्नः हृदयग्रन्थिः विनिर्धूतरजस्तमः। निर्ममः, not having any mamaha, possessiveness. Think this is mine feeling. Shobhate dhiraha, dhiraha is always effulgent. Shobhate samaloshtasma kanchanaha, seeing equally of a mud and the gold. Subhinna Hridaya Granthi, the knot of heart is broken completely. There is no knot which is holding on to. Vinidhuta Rajastamaha. Rajas and Tamas is Dhutaha, purified from Rajastamas. Sarvatravadhanasya nakinchit vasana hrudihi muktatmano vitruptasya tulana kena jayate. Sarvatraha anavadhanasya. Avadhana is not there. Hrudi vasana kinchit nasti. Tadrusasya vitruptasya, variously contended. Vitruptasya muktatmanaha tulana. There is nothing comparable. Kena jayate. There is nothing to compare. Janannapi na janati, pasyannapi na pasyati, brvannapi na cha bruto, konyo nirvasana drute. While knowing, he will not know. While seeing, he will not see. While talking, he is not seeing. Ko anyo nirvasana drute. What else when the vasana is not there? Bhikshurva bhupatirvapi yo nishkama sasopate bhaveshu galita yasya sophana sophanamatihi. Bhikshurva, maybe is a saint who has given up everything and begging alms. Bhupatirvapi, he may be a king. Nishkamah sasophate, yo nishkamah sasophate, bhaveshu galita yasya sobhana sobhanamati. So that is the state. Kva swachandam, kva sankochaha, kva va tattvanischayaha, nirvyajarjava bhutasya, charitarthasya yoginaha. One who has attained the yogi, nirvyajarjava bhutasya, having straightforward Arjava Bhutasya, his thing, Tattvanischayaha, having the complete, dedicated or concluded Tattva. Kvava Sankochaha, there is no contraction. Kvasvachandam, there is not even the Swachandam or the freedom, choiceless freedom. This is what it is called. Atma Visranti Truptena Nirasena Gatartina Antar Yadanubhuyate Tatkadham Kasya Kadhyate. Atma Visranti Truptena, having Atma Visranti, Paramatma Visranti Trupti, having the Nirasena, not having any Gata Artina, Arti is gone away. Yat Antaha Anubhuyate, what is internally being enjoyed by him, Tat Katham Kasya Kadhyate, how that can be described by anybody. So it goes beyond the talking. Suptopi na susuptocha, swapnepi sayato nacha, jagarepi na jagarti, dhirastrupta pade pade. While dreaming, he is not dreaming. While sleeping, he is not sleeping. While waking up, he is not waking up. Dhiraha, truptaha, pade pade. In all these states, he is always contented. Jnah sanchitopi nischantaha. Jnah sancintopi nischantaha. Sendriyopi nirindrayaha. Sabuddhirapi nirbuddhihi. Sahankaro nahankrutihi. So, Jnaha, who is understood the Jnana, Sachintopi, even he is worried, he is Nischintaha, he is out of all worries. Sa Indriyopi Nirindraha, even his sense organs are working, it is considered to be Nirindriya. Sa Buddhirapi, even intellect is working, Nirbuddhi, he is not having any buddhi. Sa Hankaropi, he is having ego also. Na Ahankruti, he is not considered to be Ahankara. Na Sukhi, चन नवा दुखी न विरक्तो न संगवान न मुमुक्षुर नवा मुक्तो न किंचिन न किंचनः. Never the jnani sukhi, he is not considered to be happy. Nava dukhi, not considered to be sad. Na virakto, not given up. Na sangavan, not even attached. Na mumukshu, he is not trying to moksha. Nava mukto, not even liberated. Na kinchin na cha kinchanaha, not anything, not even anything. विक्षेपोपि न विक्षेपः समाधौ न समाधिवान् जाड्येपि च न जडो धन्यः पाण्डित्येपि न पंडितः. विक्षेपेपि, even moving around, न निक्षिप्तः न विक्षिप्तः, not moving around. Samadhau, even established in the samadhi. न समाधिमान्, not considered to be in the samadhi. जाड्येपि च, in foolishness. Na moodho, na jodo, is not fool, not unconscious. Dhanyaha, such accomplished. Panditye picha, even having the great learning. Na panditaha, he is not considered to be learned. Mukto yadhathi sthiti swastaha krutakartavya nirvrutaha samaha sarvatra vaitrushnya न स्मरत्य कृतं कृतं. Mukto yadhasthiti swastaha, having established in his own state, swastaha, having established his own healthy condition. Krutakartra vinirvrataha, not krutakarta, doing and doer, vinirvrataha, samaha, equal, sarvatra vaitrushnya, not having any trushna, nasmarati akrutam krutam, not thinking of whatever not being done and whatever is being done. न प्रियते वंद्यमानो निंद्यमानो न कुप्यते नैवो द्विजति मरणे जीवने न अभिनंदति. न प्रियते वंद्यमानो, while somebody is bowing down to him, he will not get any preeti in this. न निंद्यमानो न कुप्यते, when being blamed he will not get angry. नैवो द्विजति, he will not get udvigna, udvijati, marane, in the death also. Jivane na abhinandati. While living, he will not abhinandati, he will not enjoy that. Nadhavati janakirnam naranyam upasantadhi yatha tatha yatra tatra samayevavatishthate. This is the 100th sloka, concluding last word of Ashtavakra. न धावति जनाकीर्णम उपशांतधि, the dhi upashanti, once it has submerged. Anakirnam is janakirnam, so the people, it is filled with people. Na dhavati, he will not go there. Aranyam, he will not go into the nirjana pradesha like aranya, he will neither go there nor here. Yatha tatha, however he is established. Yatra tatra, wherever he is established. Samaha, in the equanimous mind. Eva avatisthati, gets established in that state as it is. With this, we come to the end of 18th chapter, the completed teaching, and we will complete this reading for today here. This is the great night of Krishnashtami. Let the blessings of all the Gurus be with one and all. Swasti.